Let's move on to Song for a Scarecrow. Now that you've learned from the previous page how to play the C chord, let's actually put it to practice into the next song. So once again, let's start on the bass C. Here's my middle C, which I won't be using. I'm going to start onto the treble C. So you see in the left hand right there, we have a couple of the snowman chord or the C chord. So you want to make sure we play them all together, those three notes like this, but jumping. Bounce lightly on your wrist. And then later we're going to have 1 and 2 together, jumping like that. Let's take a listen. Let's have a look at the right hand here. Remember, we're starting on the treble C, and our first note is E. If you spell the word face on the treble clef, F, A, C, and E, you'll notice that our first note starts on this E. Let's hold it down. Put your 2 on the D sharp. Skipping down. Hold 2, 3, hold 2, 3, off. Left hand, we're going to play with that snowman chord or chord C again. So C, E, and G are the 3 notes we want to be holding down. And in this case, let's jump. Starting with the first bar. Jump. Switch to 1 and 2. Go back to the snowman chord. Keep going. Switch to 1 and 2. And let's play it broken. C, E, G. 1 and 2. And broken. G, E, C.